Meaning of elongate.
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 Elongate. Elongate means to make something longer or to stretch it out. The result of elongating is that the object becomes thinner and more slender, while maintaining its original shape. When something is elongated, it appears to have an increased length-to-width ratio, making it appear more stretched out and less compact. Elongate can be used to describe physical objects such as plants or bodies, as well as abstract concepts such as time or processes. The process of elongation can be gradual or sudden, and can occur naturally or through deliberate means.